Hey guys, I'm Omid. Why did the audio leave the party so quietly? Because it knew how to fade out. Anyway, let's fade audio in and out. First, select your audio clip on the timeline. Go to the Effect panel and search for Constant Power. Drag it to the beginning of your clip to create a smooth fade in. Then drag another constant power effect to the end for a smooth fade out. You can make the fade longer or shorter by dragging the edge of the transition. Now your audio starts and ends smoothly. That's it. Super easy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro tutorial. See you in the next one.